All right. Here we are, 7436. Let's take a look. All right, as we walk in, we have all of our dressers here. We'll start with the back of the door. Shows you where we are. And then we have hanging storage here. Life jackets. Some more hanging storage here. Put our luggage in there. Hide Madison. And a couple of shelves. So looks like we got some more sheets there. And on this side we have the bathroom. Ah, yes. This is the bathroom. The lights are on. Alright. There we go. Hello everybody. What do you think of my new lens? 20 mil. 1.8. Nice. Oh, we got spooky light. Okay. Alright, that's the bathroom. Turn off the light. Close the door. We have a really nice couch here. Our bed. All the storage for all the things. A 360 cam. A couple of waters that we bought. And look at this. Oh, glorious! Our balcony. Amazing. Hey, I'm walking here. And here we are. Port Canaveral. You see over there in the distance, that is the Kennedy Space Center. Right over there. So, okay. Perfect.